Welcome back. In our last video, we explored the account owner's dedicated interface. From now on, we'll shift our focus to the storage management interface for other users, with special attention to the administrator experience. Head over to the login page and sign in as an administrator. Under username, this time it shows admin instead of super admin. By default, the primary navigation is in the left panel. You can change this using the settings button in the bottom right corner. Expand the file management section to access all file management options. Overview provides a summary of account usage and activity metrics. Admin users can use the toggle switch to alternate between account-wide overview and personal overview. Now we have two users, the account owner and another admin user we created last time. In users, however, no results are displayed because the hierarchical management model does not allow users to manage others at the same management level. Consequently, other admins are not listed, since you do not have permission to manage their accounts. That's the sole privilege of super admin. Now, let's create two new user accounts to compare capabilities across different tiers. Click on Add New User. Enter required information. This process is similar to creating admin account, except you need to select a role for the user. We'll assign him a manager role. A temporary password is required. Users can change their password after email verification. User is added successfully. Under Actions column, you can find options to edit user details, suspend access or remove a user entirely. Let's repeat the process to add another user. This time a standard user. And assign this user to the manager we just created. Alright. We've successfully created two lower-tier users that you can manage. Plus two admin users, now we have 4 users in total. Next, we will have a look how these users' dashboard look like. Let's begin with the manager's interface. Email verification is required when new users log in for the first time. Users can request new code if the first one is expired. Once verified, click Login. You will see the default layout is almost identical to that of admin's dashboard. This is no surprise because managers are essentially like mini-admins for their own teams. In Overview, managers can see their team activities and their personal activities. Team members displays the number of regular users assigned to the team. This number matches the number of users listed in the users table. Managers themselves are excluded in this count. Before switching to a regular user's account, let's choose a different theme for this manager user so we can separate users easily. Finally, let's see how a regular user's account look like. You'll notice several differences compared to admins and managers. First, the overview section displays only user-specific metrics and activity statistics. Second, file management functions are exposed directly in the primary navigation, rather than being nested under the file management menu. And, most importantly, administrative functions such as user management are unavailable because regular users do not have any administrative privileges. They get a more streamlined interface focused on file management rather than administration. Now, we have explored user-specific interfaces of all access tiers. In next tutorial, we will take a dive into device management. See you there.